All right, just a quick review here of the number one cacao tree growing in the 25-gallon pot. This is about a week and a half after we had that 38 to 40 some odd degree, maybe 38 probably was the lowest, but I'm pretty sure it stayed in the like borderline just around 40. But it's possible. Some people say it went down to 38. But anyway, the tree has not been moved. It stayed outside during that weather. It is up against a concrete wall, and it's loaded. I mean, it is loaded. I just finished cleaning it, and I cleaned off a whole bunch of small pods that had turned brown, which is normal. But I think the tree also lost some medium-sized pods that were just, beat up by the cold. But this tree is extremely productive. This is 5 years now, and it's in the pot, and it's actually rooted in that ground. I recently had to straighten the tree out because it was actually leaning all the way back towards me. All the way, it was leaning. And I just went in there and pruned the hell out of it so we get a little bit more sunlight in there, because it has a canopy above it of trees, and it has a Rica palm over on the left side. So on the right side would be west, and it gets a lot of afternoon sun, and it gets filtered light all day long. So like I said, this is my number one cacao tree. A lot of the leaves have now fallen off. You can see them all over the place here. It's a big mess here. Get all those leaves. Got leaves all over on the ground. So, I'm keeping an eye on it. Hopefully, I don't know, a couple of months, these will be ready. And probably one of my most impressive of the three trees that I have. It's just productive. I mean, really, really productive. Pretty strong tolerance to the cold, apparently. So I'm pretty happy with this one. You can see more pods are coming. It's got pods everywhere. So I'm really happy with this tree, like I've said a million times already in this video, and I wanted to share that with you guys. The number one cacao here at Pepe's Plants, growing in Florida, and we got hit with some pretty darn cool weather for our area. So like I said, about somewhere between 38 and 40 degrees. There you go. That's the update for today. Talk to you guys. Have a happy new year.